Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix broken links on Facebook app. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here and type Facebook. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check if there is newest updates on Instagram, because it's crucial. If there is, just go ahead and do it, because you need to update it ASAP. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and I'm going to demonstrate on how it's done. Basically, what you're going to do, if your link, or how to fix a broken link on your Facebook, basically what you're going to do, you're going to just scroll a little bit down right here, and for first step to fix it, go and visit the Facebook debugger tool, and then paste the problem link and click the debug button, and debugger will return the info it has on the URL and likely include an error, right? So as you can see right here, time scraped, and you're gonna be able to see click the scraped again button, and you're gonna be able to see the problem. The debugger should now return more information about your site and display a working preview of the link too. Go back to the Facebook and share your link again, and the link preview should now work as expected. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.